Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix shared album missing on iPhone iOS 18. So, if you want to make a shared album on your iPhone, but you discover that the shared album feature is missing after the iOS 18 update, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily fix this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, as this really helps us to grow. Now, the first one to do to fix shared album mixing on your iPhone Photos library is go ahead and open the Photos app on your phone. Then keep scrolling to the bottom of the page. You discover that shared album is missing, right? Locate and click on Customize Reorder. Then once you click on that, under Customize and Reorder, you can either click on Reset to make sure the Customize and Reorder is reset back to default. And if you only want to show shared albums on the photo library, locate and make sure you check shared album. And then once you check shared album, click on the close button at top right. Then if you come back here under album, then you should see your shared album. You can just open it or come back, click on activity to see your shared album activities, and then you are good to go. So that is basically how to fix shared album mixing on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.